All right, we are here to draw Super Bowl squares. We are recording, so you'll be able to watch this later. Um, Share the screen. All righty. Sure. Okay, I've just opened a little Unix shell here. I'm going to go into Python. I'm going to import the random module. I'm going to say AFC equals, and it's an array, just the number 0 through 9. Oh, 9. There, AFC, let's just type AFC, yeah. And NFC, same thing. I'll just change the A to an N. Both arrays are in order. Now I'm going to say random dot shuffle. Ooh. Learn how to spell. Random shuffle AFC. And now if we type AFC, it's different. It starts with 0, but 528493671. And now I'm going to put the NFC in there. NFC 059. Let's do it again, because we got both of them starting with 0. NFC, here we go. Starts with 285. All right, we don't have any in common. Okay, so this AFC here, starting with 0. NFC starting with 2. These are random numbers. I will put these on a chart and then send them out. Alrighty, take care. We'll see you later. Good luck, everybody. See you tomorrow at game time.